Our bomb squad police officer just told me that I had to make this a warning quick. Fire in the hole. Jacob. Okay, so what we have here is a simple chemical reaction of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas in a certain proportion. This may bring back some memories of high school science for some of you. Some of you in science right now. Actually, about 10 of my students are out there somewhere. So hydrogen gas and oxygen gas makes water vapor. The explosion was water vapor. That's all it was. It wasn't anything dangerous and whatever. It was just a simple water vapor, but it released heat on the right side. And if you know anything about explosions, explosions are a contained volume, some kind of solid container. And if the gas is heat, you know, maybe remember from high school science, hot gases expand. And if it's in a hard container that can't stretch, like a balloon, this hard Pringles jar, pressure is going to go up, and eventually, boom, it's going to explode. So explosion is a release of hot gases. So I'm going to, actually, the egg on the side, that is an actual explosion of a hydrogen gas and egg. And at the end of service today, out in the commons, if you want, you can watch a couple eggs explode too. Next slide, Jacob. So this, when people see the space shuttle going off, they think, oh my gosh, look at all that pollution there, pollution. No, that's actually just water vapor. That's just a cloud of water vapor, fog. The central tank there, that reddish-orange tank in the middle, that's actually broken in half into hydrogen gas. Look at hydrogen, look at oxygen. That flame going out the bottom is just like the can I just had there. This was just a, oh, we got a technologically advanced show, so we got wires everywhere. Anyway, this is like the booster rockets in the space shuttle. When the gas is built up pressure, it flung upwards, and I'm not sure if you maybe can see a little bit of flame that are going there. I'm not sure if that was visible. I'll do it more time to see if you can see that. You can't just do one, come on. And basically, it's just like a space shuttle, but the space shuttle had a lot more hydrogen and oxygen. So let's try this again. I'll explain the process as we go along too here. Kids that want to perform this at home. First thing you need, kids can't perform this one. You need some pretty concentrated hydrochloric acid. That's not as common to come across. Then some zinc. And my students will be able to say this is a simple single-phase reaction. The zinc and the metal will give off a little smoke from off here. That's hydrogen gas. I contain that in here with some oxygen. I have to get the proportions pretty close to being right, otherwise it won't work. If you have the wrong chemicals in there, wrong proportion of chemicals, it won't always work out properly. Let's try this again here. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Someone threw it in.
Bigger. Now, the eggs I'm going to do later on, I have little eggs I'll do out in the commons area. They'll do a little smaller and not quite as, loud and stuff, so it won't scare people so much. But otherwise, I'll turn it over to the big guy here.